Testing for COVID-19 in Pima County has come a long way from the start of the pandemic.
And 9 News' Rogelio Amades spoke with a health official about testing for coronavirus, where we started and where we are now.
Testing in Pima County is pretty much available to anybody who's seeking a test.
Uttering those words are a relief to a community, but just as much to the people charged with keeping that community healthy. People like Spencer Graves, program manager at the Pima County Health Department.
So there's a lot of resources made available to make sure that we can test everybody in the county.
Graves says mainly it's resources like tests, testing sites, and the staff to administer those tests, some contracted from private labs.
AccuReference, Paradigm, and a couple other vendors that are helping us set these locations up and making it easily accessible for anybody.
Funding from the Federal CARES Act helped pay for the tests and staff, Graves says.
We are going to make sure that there is ample testing for as long as possible until there's a vaccine.
A giant leap from where he says the department was when the pandemic started.
Because that was our scariest moment.
Graves says, in particular, assisted living centers were places that had the highest need for testing back in March.
We needed to make sure that they were having tests done regularly so they could identify who needed to be isolated.
Today, Graves says there's an abundance of several kinds of tests, including rapid strep testing, which can yield results in 15 minutes.
It's very different than what we're looking at today. We have ample testing, and we are able to test people more than once if needed.
Now you can sign up for an appointment at any number of testing sites around the county for a free test.
In March and April, we were caught off guard. No one was ready. The whole supply chain worldwide broke. Now we're definitely in a better space.
Follow the links at kgun9.com for information on test sites and setting up your own appointment. Rogelio Amades, KGUN 9, on your side.